how to understand the Ruksha Guna and its application. What is the textual meaning and how to critically analyze Ruksha Guna? This is the topic of this particular video. Dear ANA community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information at the right time for the right purpose. When you say Ruksha Guna, it is considered one of the important guna of Vata Dosha. As it is being mentioned, it is one of the Sharirika Guna, which are 20 in number. They are also being termed as Guruvadi Guna because the term starts with Guru, Laghu, etc. It is also being termed as Dvandva Guna because they are having the exact opposite qualities. For example, Guru Laghu, Shita Ushna, Snigdha Ruksha, etc. in that way. Whereas Ruksha is considered to be a very, very important guna of Vata Dosha. Tatra Ruksho Lagahu Shitaha Kara Sukshmascha Nilaha. Vagbhata says. The same description is told in Charaka Sutra, 12th chapter. Ruksha is considered to be one of the important 6 qualities of Vata Dosha. When you think about the meaning of this, Shoshane Rukshaha, that means the Ruksha is the quality that is responsible for the Shoshana karma, that is dryness to be happening inside the body. Arunadatta says, Snigdha tad viparyayo rukshaha. It is opposite to the Snigdha guna, which is responsible for the either normal increase of what you say, that is Shoshana karma, or what we can say the dryness, or increased Shoshana karma that's happening inside the body. As it is being mentioned earlier, Guru Adi Guna. Guru Lagu Shitoshna Snigdha Ruksha Manda Tikshna Stira Sara Mrudu Kathina Vishada Pichila Shlakshna Khara Sthula Sukshma Sandradrava Vimshatihi. So these are Vimshati Guna. Among this, Ruksha, so that is considered to be the prime Guna, which is considered to be opposite to Snigdha. Regarding the different references available for Ruksha term, Rukshatvam cha Vayu Adhikam. So there will be Vata Dosha dominance that will be observed in case of the Rukshata. As far as the effect of Ruksha are concerned, Ruksha Kharatvam Vaishadyam Yat Kuryat Tadhi Rukshanam. Rukshana, it is so here this is being used in the context of therapy, wherein Rukshana therapy is responsible for the Rukshana to happen inside the body, that is the dryness. Kharatva, that is roughness to happen. Vaishadya, that is clarity, so that is opposite to Pichilata, sliminess that is going to get reduced. As far as qualities of the Rukshana Dravya, as mentioned in Charaka Samhita, 22nd chapter, Ruksham Lagu Kharam Tikshnam Ushnam Stiram Apichilam Prayasha Katinam Chaiva Yadravyam Tadhi Rukshanam. They are dry, light, Khara, that is rough, Tikshna, that is sharp, Ushnam, that is the hot or heat as such, Stiram, firm, and Apichilam, non-slimy nature, and Kathinata, very hardness. So these are the qualities of Rukshana Dravya. Whenever a person is going to consume these Rukshana substances, they are likely to have the increase of either 1, 2, 3, 4 or all the qualities of Rukshana Dravya. When you think about the references, other plenty references are available regarding the term Rukshana, both in the main textbooks or in the commentaries of those textbooks. Regarding the examples of Rukshana Dravya, so here this is considered to be normal carrot, whereas this is considered to be the carrot which is considered to be having the Rukshata in it. Whereas the another example to say that is Ruksha, that is Poha, which is considered to be the Ruksha that is going to have the present in it. Regarding the impact of Rukshata in the body, whenever a person is going to consume the Rukshata substances, so that will be initially entering via mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, small intestine, and then large intestine. Whenever these Ruksha substances entering into the either stomach or small intestine, large intestine, so they are actually having the lack of fluid that is actually responsible for the influx of the fluid to happen from the capillaries of stomach or capillaries of the small intestine or capillaries of the large intestine. This in turn leads to the reduced fluid in the blood vessels, what we can say shrinkage of a intravascular compartment. So in that sense, so to replenish the depleted content in the intravascular compartment, fluid will be transferred from interstitial compartment to intravascular compartment. And when there is depleted fluid in the interstitial compartment, so that will be replenished by the fluid present inside the cells, what we can say intracellular compartment. In that way, the Ruksha in the alimentary canal that will lead to shrinkage of the intravascular compartment, interstitial compartment, and intracellular compartment. Thus, we are going to observe the increase of Vata dosha in the body. Whereas the another way of impact of Rukshata that is being observed externally. So this is an example where we are going to see in the elderly individuals. We are going to see the roughness of the skin or dryness of the skin. So this is again indicative of a Vata dosha prakopa. To sum up, Vata dosha is having the prime guna, that is Ruksha, that is being termed as Shoshane Rukshaha. So that is where the transport of the fluid that will be taking place from the place of Rukshata, from the surroundings. Whenever a person is going to consume the Ruksha Guna substances, Ruksha will be increased in the alimentary canal. To have the proper digestion of these Ruksha substances, fluid will be transferred from intravascular compartment into the alimentary canal, which in turn leads to the transport of the fluid from the interstitial compartment and intracellular compartment respectively into the intravascular compartment. Thus, we are going to observe the increase of a Vata dosha in the intracellular compartment, interstitial compartment, and intravascular compartment. Rukshata is considered to be one of the Vimshati Guna, or which is also being termed as Sharirika Guna, or which is also being termed as Dvandva Guna. This will lead to the increase of the Vata dosha or abnormal increase of Vata dosha that may happen even inside the body or even in the external side of the body. Whenever a person is going to consume in the Ruksha Guna substances in excess, that will lead to the shrinkage of intravascular compartment, interstitial compartment, and intracellular compartment. Dear ANA community, that's all today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion mentioned in the comment box below? What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below, and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching the right information at the right time for the right purpose. Something more in the next video. Thank you.